Hello, my name is Nicholas Madariaga, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Collaborative Platform. The Collaborative Platform is a community of students and professionals. The specific part of the Collaborative Platform that I worked on was called the Mentoring Module. Now, in Senior Project, every project is assigned a mentor who's there to answer questions and, to seek any, there if you need to seek any sort of guidance. My mentor lived a few hours away, so he wasn't very local. So I rarely got to meet with him in person, and he was also very unfamiliar with the technology we used on our project. So anytime I had a question to ask, I had to resort to Google or Stack Overflow. And oftentimes I found that it is not the most reliable source. I couldn't find anything that was catered specifically to the problems that I was having, so I would be wasting a ton of time doing all these searches for information that really led nowhere. And that's where the mentoring module comes in. The mentoring module, its purpose is to, one, facilitate communication between mentors and students, and two, to provide enough mentors to be available to answer questions with a high standard of quality and also very quickly. Now, version 2 of the mentoring module already touched upon improving communication between mentors by implementing a ticketing system. But it still left the whole problem of bringing in enough mentors to really make the tool useful. So that's where my solution to the project came in. Um, the way it was set up was all new mentors were brought in manually by an admin. He would have to communicate them with via email, do all sort of verification like that, and kind of enter in all the information and as if it was data entry. This is extremely tedious and very inefficient. So my solution to the problem was to create a self-serve access point for new mentors and also a self-serve application product or process for applying for mentorships. Um, so the first thing I had to do was create a new entry point for the collaborative platform. On here, anyone could come in and they would be able to learn whatever they need about about the system, teach themselves about how the mentoring module works and its purpose, and also provide them with details on everything that they need to get started. So the admin no longer has to do this all through email, just talking back and forth. He just sends out one invite and a mentor can come in and educate himself on the whole purpose of the system. Then after that, we needed to create a user-friendly interface to facilitate the application of mentorships. So I created this application portal for all types of mentorships. Again, they just go here, pick the type of mentorship they want, and then I provided them with all the information they needed to set themselves up for a mentorship, such as who they want to mentor. Also, for example, if they did not want to choose anybody manually, they could defer choices to the system to have them generated automatically based on any kind of criteria that they have. And to do all this, I had to make a custom user interface using JavaScript and jQuery. But ultimately, I feel that it improves the accessibility to the system as a whole and is just what the module needed to bring in enough mentors to really be able to answer students' questions at a high level of quality and quickly.